Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo, crypto gains. What's going on, guys? What can you say? Give it up for the king. King BTC. Over on Crypto Bubbles, looking at market cap performance in the last hour. As you can see, by market cap, BTC is simply dominating the space. We got Litecoin, ADA, BNB, XMR. So you got your top 10s. Dots down a little bit. Let's look at the day. Wow. So, yeah. In the week, yeah, looking good. Looking good. Month. All right. Moving over to performance. Month. We got all kinds of stuff. Doge up 286%. Man, I should have got me a Doge bag, man. So, yeah, I got to buy the top now, right? Doge over a penny. Pretty crazy. So let's get into it. Looking over on Bit Screener, we see Bitcoin has once again broken the 30K barrier. It's pretty insane. I woke up on Blockfolio freezing up again today, which is usually always a good sign. Man, I tell you what, I wish they'd upgrade their servers already. 1334 on the 1 year, looking very nicely. Overextended, but not too bad. Now on the all scale, it is trading way past the 13. So, what do I think about this? I think that Bitcoin is turning into, as I've heard recently, unobtainium, meaning it will get so expensive that the average person just won't be able to afford it. But yeah, looking very, very strong. Let's go over to the Bitcoin indicators. Looking at the Bitcoin indicators. Now, trepidation. This is one big point I want to point out, and that is the Fibonacci series chart on the 358-day moving average. So down below here we have this line, which is the 350. Okay, and this is just churning along. As I said in my Bitcoin 100K video, as you can see, Bitcoin tapped the 21 Fibonacci on the moon, then it tapped the 13, then it tapped the 8, and then we had a very extended period, and then we hit the Fib 5, and we are starting to touch the Fib 3. So what does this mean? Now, part of me says that I should liquidate some of my crypto to stablecoin, so that if there is a dip, I will be able to get the dip. But based on the Fibonacci series, I want to get this out there. It is a sell signal. It is a sell signal. Am I telling you to sell your Bitcoin today? As this website says, not financial advice. No, but precariously, we are touching that fib. So that fib is sitting at right around 32,969. So we are actually on that fib. So I'm going to monitor this very closely, and if I see any kind of reversals, then I may consider moving into some stables. But just want to get that out there and make sure everyone is aware. The stock to flow model, it's actually underperforming a little bit, with a stock to flow of 45 on the 463, but this is churning along. There's your 245K mark in 2021. Yeah, so stock to flow not looking too overly bad. Talking about Ethereum. Ethereum is waking up a little bit finally, sitting at 781. The 1334 not looking too bad. We got to look at bigger timelines. So ETH has just been very indecisive. But the more important way to look at ETH is on the BTC scale, because that is where we can see the reversal. So now if we look at ETH over time, ETH has still been on a losing trend towards Bitcoin. You know, kind of go to the all scale. So you can see on the all back in, when was this, 17, 18, we had 2017, we had the basically epic blow off on ETH, and then it's done nothing but lose value to Bitcoin, and we are dipping below. Now, that is a great question. Will ETH reverse and explode? Quite possibly, but it's just not taking off like it needs to. Now, I'm going to show you something. Everyone's asking about alt season and when alts, and when are things going to start popping off. And the question to answer that is, let's look at Tron, for example. And we can see, let's go to the 1 day. So we have very specific, actually 1 week. So you can see this happened, okay? Let's look at the exact time frame. It is, let's see. So basically what's happening is, actually no, we gotta look at Bitcoin. That's where the magic is. So boom, okay. 1228, so it's 1, 2. So right here. Okay. So basically what happens is, as soon as Bitcoin makes a move, okay, TRX instantly loses sats. So basically what's happening is, from an arbitrage standpoint, you line this up. Let's line these up. Let's see right where it took off on the moon. So it took off on the moon on 1-2-630. So let's go back over to TRX. 1-2-630. So boom, you can see what happens. Everyone assumes that when Bitcoin goes up, the alts follow, but that is not a true statement. As you can see what happened, the arbitrage instantly sold off their Tron as Bitcoin began to make its move. And I'm sure you'll see that very similar action in a lot of alts. And that's kind of, the alts are getting pounded by Bitcoin's dominance. Yeah. So, I mean, ETH is showing some signs, but again, like I said, I'm still holding my ETH bags. I will disclose that just because, it lets you do DeFi and such. But 30K is definitely a pretty amazing accomplishment. Looking over at Doge. Oh boy, let's go to BTC. That stupid Dogecoin, man. Wow, what an epic pump. Jeez. So basically went from like nothing to infinity. 38 sats. Not bad for the Doge crew, but what are you gonna say? Let's go over to it's Bankroll. Talking about Flow. Flow still absolutely killing it. I'll leave a link down below. Banker X sitting at 32.4, liquidity at 4.58 million as this continues. As I talked to one of my other videos, the Tron chain contract is draining. We're sitting, where is it sitting down? It's down to, yeah, 212 million. So I expect this will probably be zero by early next week, Tuesday, Wednesday at the latest, as that goes down. But yeah. But Flow is still absolutely killing it. Banker X absolutely killing it. There is some word on the street that there's going to be some new, something new coming out that is going to capture the appreciation of Bitcoin and ETH, and it's related to Flow. So I don't know much about it, but that is my early thoughts. So enjoy those gains today. Stay safe out there. Happy New Year. Never really said that to everybody. Hope your new year is full of amazing things with crypto as we move along this crypto adoption cycle, hopefully into the bull run. But again, I'm going to monitor that Fibonacci series very carefully, because from the historic sense, we are seeing a sell signal. But again, TA correlation does not always equal causation. So that is just what historically it is done. So I am still hodling for the moment. But anyways, like, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed today's video. This is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.